Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today I'm going to unpackage and review a hardcover or case for my MacBook Air 15. This is a 15-inch MacBook Air which I purchased earlier this year, and I thought I'm going to be doing some travelling soon, so I might as well get a nice case from EooCoo to do a bit of protection on the device. Now, the case arrives from Amazon like this. I'll link in the description to where you too can purchase one of these cases. And it has instructions on the actual bag. So I'm going to open up the bag that contains the case, which is actually two parts, and pull it out of its case. So you'll see you have the case itself, and it's in cellophane, so we're going to have to cut into this. Just take my handy SIM ejector tool and cut into it. Here we go. And then once we're done, it's going to be as simple as lining it up with the case itself and snapping it on. So let's start with the top lid, the top side to the case. Right, there we go. Bit of protection off. So this one, whoops, is the actual case. I'm going to take my SIM ejector tool as well and make sure we've got this punctured. Oh man, there's a lot of cellophane here. Bit frustrating. Okay, so let's see what EooCoo has to offer. So we need to look at the Apple logo according to the instructions and identify the bit with the clips on the lid. You'll see that there is some very small clips here on the lid. And what we need to do at this point is align the case and then ensure that this is clipped on. And to do that, I'm just going to hold it a little bit harder, clip. Simple as that. So that's the lid done. Next up, we're going to put the base down as is, and I'm going to lift the lid on the laptop, open it to 45 degrees, and then just put the laptop down into its clip. And as you can see, that's clipped, and that's it. Easy peasy. Few extra clips, and you can see that there's the appropriate cutout for my headphone jack, the Courage port, which Apple very courageously removed from other devices. There's the appropriate cutout here for the MagSafe and two USB Type-C ports. Everything is as expected. I have to say I'm quite happy with this. It adds just a little bit of extra thickness to the MacBook Air 15-inch, but more importantly, it protects the device for day-to-day use and travel. So I have to say I'm happy with this case for the MacBook Air. This is the EooCoo case, which I purchased for just under £14 sterling. It comes in different colours. I went for the greeny one. You can just see that here. But as usual, my Sony camera really doesn't like focusing on Apple products. But just to show you, the little white feet at the bottom are there in place, so it does leave some space for your device to breathe. But there you go. I'll link in the description to where you can buy this. Simple case for the MacBook Air. If you got this far, thank you for watching, and if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.